Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another knockout form, and this time it's gonna be Hildeberg. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw her eye first. So we're gonna draw the smaller one first, on the one on the other side. So we're gonna draw one line, and then we're gonna curve it here. Let's come all the way down. And then her eyelid is going to be one up here. And then her eyeball is just going to be looking this way. Okay, and let me shade this in real quick. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw the other eye. And this eye is going to be, so the top is the same, but it's going to be a lot bigger. It's going to go down more. So we just draw like a big egg shape. And then again for her eyelid, so there's going to be one up here. And another one down here. And then the eyeball, which is gonna go kind of like the Pac-Man shape again. Curve angle, and then on the inside it's gonna be black here. So I'm gonna shade this in real quick. Okay, and then let's see, well, let's draw this. She's got some eyelashes, so it's gonna be 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then from there, now let's go on to the rest of the face. So we're gonna draw her nose. So right underneath this eye, we're just gonna draw one curve like this. And then on the other side, now we're gonna continue this one. We're gonna draw another curve. And this time we're gonna come down, and then this is gonna be a tip of her nose. We're gonna go up. Okay, and then from here, the tip just kind of come on down, and then we're just gonna give this some thickness. And then on this one, we go down. And then from here, on the, let's see the nose, it's gonna be a little bit of a detail there. And now we gotta draw the mouth. So right underneath here, we're gonna come out. So we can go past, way past the eye. And then right here, curve down smaller. Connect that with a big curve. So that's gonna be the opening of the mouth. And to draw her lip, so this one's easy. We're just gonna give it some thickness. Just kind of follow all the way through. Just kind of come all the way up here. And then we'll give a little bit of a wrinkle here. Okay, and then from here, well, let's see. Okay, let's finish up the teeth inside. So since this is easy, so we're gonna draw 1, 2, and the teeth are all kind of broken up. 2, 3, and then inside her tongue, so it's gonna be, and then very in here, it's a little bit tricky right here, but once I color it in, you probably won't even see much of that. Okay, and then from here, let's see, let's continue back on the eye. So up here, we're gonna draw her little eyebrow slanting downward, and on this side, gonna slant down as well. And there's gonna be another crease here, one here, and one in the middle. Some little detail. Okay, and then now we're gonna go up. So we're gonna come up, come down, and then we're gonna make a little sharp corner there. And now we're gonna come around. And this is a tricky part, there's a lot of little curves. So we're gonna come down here, keep coming down, right around his eyebrow. Come down, and now we're gonna go all the way down to the mouth. Okay, and then let's finish up the top first. Okay, so from here, we're gonna keep going up. I'll draw one curve. Now we're gonna draw one big curve coming all the way out here. So one big curve. This is kind of like the top of the moon. Okay, so we're gonna draw the outside now. So we're gonna come out, and then a little bit bump here. And now we're gonna draw one big curve. It's gonna come all the way back down to her mouth. So okay, so just keep going down, nice arc. Okay, so once we have that, now the rest of the part is a little bit easier. So up here, just draw like a big oval. And then a smaller oval here. And then we're gonna make it a little bit three-dimensional. So in here, draw another curve like this. Okay, and then from here, now the easy part. So now we're just gonna draw kind of like another line, just following that curve. And we're gonna stop right around here. We're gonna go around this circle, this oval. Okay, so from here now we're just gonna come back down here. So all the way down to the mouth again. Okay, I know it's a lot of little tricky curves, but it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so from here, now we're gonna go from the mouth, come down a little bit, one curve, two curves. Okay, so it's gonna be all bunched up right here. So now we're gonna come down. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna connect this on the back side, one big curve. Okay, and then after that, let's see, we're gonna draw one little circle here, oval. And again, now we're gonna come down with a line, go around it. And now we're just gonna come here and just kind of make, you know, because this is all kind of bunched up. So we draw some curves. And then this last one, we're just gonna curve it all the way up here. And I almost forgot, gonna add in a little bit more wrinkles right underneath the eye. And that's it for this Hildeberg in its knocked out form, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please check out my other videos, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.